It is natural to feel as though the weight of the world is resting solely on your shoulders, and in those moments of quiet exhaustion, your heart might whisper the question, "Why is this happening to me?" When the trials of life seem to arrive one after the other, like waves crashing against a shore that hasn't had time to dry, it can feel less like a test and more like a breaking point. But there is a profound divine logic behind the intensity of what you are experiencing, and it begins with the understanding that Allah never places a burden upon a soul that is greater than what it can bear. If the test feels heavy, it is only because He has placed within you a strength that you have not yet fully discovered. Think of the way gold is purified. It is not polished with a soft cloth to reach its highest value. It is placed into a furnace. The heat is intense, and the transformation is painful, but the fire is not there to destroy the gold. It is there to burn away the impurities, the dross, and everything that isn't truly gold, until only the most precious, shining element remains. You are currently in that refinement process. Allah may be stripping away certain comforts, certain people, or certain certainties in your life, because He is preparing you for a version of yourself that is stronger, purer, and more resilient than the one who entered this trial. Often, we are tested most severely in the areas where we have placed too much of our hope in the created rather than the Creator. We lean on our wealth, our health, our status, or the people around us, forgetting that these are all temporary shadows. When these shadows shift or disappear, it feels like we are falling. In reality, Allah is removing the false supports we have leaned on so that we finally learn how to lean on Him alone. This social mask we often wear for the world, the one that says we have everything under control, begins to crack under the pressure of a hard test. In those cracks, there is an opportunity for sincerity to grow. You are being invited to a level of strategic silence, where you stop explaining your pain to people who cannot heal it and start presenting your heart to the one who created it. Consider the words found in Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 155, where it is said that we will surely test you with something of fear and hunger and a loss of wealth and lives and fruits, but give good tidings to the patient. This is a divine guarantee. The test is not a sign of His anger. It is a prerequisite for the good tidings. You are being tested because you are being noticed. In the vastness of the universe, the King of all kings has singled you out to undergo a specialized curriculum designed specifically for your soul's elevation. There is a unique type of closeness to Allah that is only found in the brokenhearted. When life is easy, our prayers can sometimes become routine, a set of movements and words. But when the test is hard, the prayer changes. It becomes a cry. It becomes a conversation. It becomes the only thing we have left to hold on to. If this hardship has brought you to your knees, then it has already done more for you than any season of ease ever could. You are being pushed to the edge of your capacity because Allah wants to show you what lies beyond it. He is building your spiritual muscles, preparing you for a future responsibility or a blessing that the old you simply wouldn't have been able to handle or appreciate. You might feel like you are losing time or losing your way, But in the realm of the divine, no tear is wasted, and no moment of patience is forgotten. Every second you spend struggling against despair is recorded as an act of worship. You are being taught the art of deep thinking on a spiritual level, learning to look past the immediate pain to see the hand that is guiding the process. There is a reason why the most beloved of people to Allah, the prophets, were the ones who faced the most crushing trials. Their lives were not easy, yet they were the most successful. This suggests that the difficulty of your test is actually a reflection of your potential status in the eyes of your Creator. And yet, as you stand in the middle of this storm, wondering how much longer the wind will howl and the rain will fall, you might start to feel that your strength is finally flickering out. You've been patient, you've been quiet, and you've tried to understand the why behind the pain. But the darkness still feels absolute. It is exactly at this point, when the human heart feels it can no longer take another step, that the most beautiful secret of the test begins to reveal itself. A secret that changes everything about how you view the hard moments of your life. The secret lies in the realization that the test is not a wall, but a bridge. When we reach the end of our own strength, we finally make room for the strength of Allah to carry us. We often think we are being punished with distance, but in reality, we are being pulled into a divine embrace. This hardship is the calm before the opening, a spiritual pruning that allows for a more beautiful harvest. Remember the words of comfort in Surah Ad-Duha, chapter 93, verse 3, which reminds us that your Lord has not forsaken you, nor has He detested you. The difficulty you face today is the very thing that will make the ease of tomorrow feel like a miracle. You are not being broken. You are being built. You are being prepared for a destination that is far more beautiful than the one you had planned for yourself. Trust the process, trust the timing, and trust that the one who started this journey with you will never leave you to finish it alone. Keep your heart steady, for the dawn is never as close as when the night is at its darkest.